Ministry of Home Affairs has extended the Armed Forces Special Powers Act Afspa in parts of Manipur, except in jurisdictions of 13 police stations in 5 districts. The extension will be effective for 6 months starting October 1. In a notification, MHA maintained that the centre, after a review of law and order situation in the state of Manipur, in exercise of powers conferred by Section 3 of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958, declares the entire state of Manipur, excluding the areas falling under the jurisdiction of the following 13 police stations of 5 districts, as a disturbed area for a period of 6 months with effect from October 1, 2025. The excluded police station areas in Manipur include 6 in Imphal West, namely Imphal, Lamphel, City, Singjamai, Patsoi and Wangoi, 3 in Imphal East, namely Porompat, Haingang and Irilbung, 2 in Bishnupur, namely Bishnupur and Nambol, and 1 each in Thoubal and Kangching districts. The disturbed area status was in force across Manipur, excluding the Imphal municipality area from 2004 until early 2022. In April 2022, the Manipur government notified that the disturbed area designation would no longer apply to 7 police station areas in Imphal West, 4 in Imphal East and 1 police station each in Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kangching and Jirbam districts. In October 2024, Afspa was reimposed across the state, barring 19 police station areas. A month later, following fresh violence in Jirbam district, the act was reinstated in 6 of those 19 areas.